Yeah, welcome to Martin's channel. I have the intention to talk about the update of the 3D printed proof of concept Symington clone chain saw sharpening machine. Okay, first you need about a height of 1.70 m because or higher, so you can watch on the disc while you are grinding. You need to see what you are doing here. It is impossible to grind this blind. That's a fact. I made this part here so I can rest my hand on it and bring in easy the chain on always the same height. It has some play in it, it's about a millimeter, but when you have this rest here for the hand, then the machine works perfect. It's all about that. The original Symington has here some interlocking device. You just can grab the chain like this and, well, grind the teeth. Let's go to the next teeth. Oops. So, come on. Yeah, with one hand, always. Perfect. With one damaged hand. But who cares? Not even me. So, there you have it. The teeth is in the same position. You can watch out where you're grinding the first teeth and then change them to the next. So those are some joints here. They shape the disc. The disc is not like here. The disc is not flat or round on the edges. It has some, you see here this ring? Yes. When I now put the drill on, there is about an angle of 30 degrees, or 20 maybe, and on the side too, this angle here has about 30 to 40 degrees. So now how we get the round disc in a shape like this, like a frisbee? Well, I bought some I bought 6 or 7 euros for this Diamondtip special tool, so we can grind here with this diamond. We shape the wheel like this, just slightly touching it, slow again, that's okay. Now we come in with the other, we like this, and that's it. Then we are coming in with the chain and we touch the tooth. Watch out for your rakers or depth gauges, they are normally in the way. So. And where the sparks fly, there it has been ground. So keep that in mind when you're grinding your tooth. Where the sparks have flied, there is your wheel grinding. Yes, it's really sharp. It's extremely sharp. You can cut yourself open with this thing. I proved it here yesterday. What else do I have to say? Well, I just drilled in some normal screw, some wood screw. It's a long screw. Well, when we had focus, I would be handy. Thank you. Yeah, not bad. I made some hole for the axis of the motor. I will kill the current now. And here is some hole for the screw, for the big screw of this axis here. So what else do you need to know? Well, I think that's about it. The lights, I will fix these lights. I will change this bulb. It's not my thing. I don't like it. I need something else. Well, I think about the price, and I will ask my customers how much they are willing to pay for the STL, so they can print their own proof of concept Symington grinding machine. Do I sell them? I only sell the STL plans, and this is not illegal. So, I don't sell the finished machine, I only sell the STL. So you can print them yourself or bring this in a shop and let them print it. Well, that's all. It works. I like it. Here you can adjust this thing here. Like this. I have placed inside the joints where I don't want to have some play. I inserted some plastic, some very soft rubber. Then it will not wiggle. Here too. Here's some plastic inside too, some rubber. Here not in this joint. This joint has to be tight and hard. So it won't play. It just will do what the joint does. Be a joint. Well, that's it. Here's the screw to adjust up or down. You don't want to change anything. It is working like this. There's no need to interfere with any of the mechanics of the machine. Well, that's all from me now. That was the update with these diamond tips. You will find them on eBay, I'm certain. They just have a diamond tip inside the tip. Where is it? There. This is some artificial diamond. It will not wear out on this aluminium. This is about 10 times harder than this. At least, I hope. Well, that's all for me now. Have fun grinding your chainsaw with some square chisel grind. It cuts amazingly well. I had yesterday some, well, it is not oak. It is like hickory. Some very hard wood, but it was a fresh cutting tree, so it is not too hard. It is soft, but tough. Well, that's all for now from me. Yeah, when you have some questions, shoot them down in the comment section and I try to answer them. Thank you, bye, have fun cutting.